Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Raymond James Financial Advisor Review My US. Raymond James Financial Advisor Review My US is essentially a resource for individuals in the US looking for financial advice. It seems to be geared towards people considering working with a Raymond James financial advisor, helping them understand the process, fees, and what to expect. Key features likely include information on different advisor specializations, investment strategies, and potentially client testimonials. Their website provides details on Raymond James's services and their network of financial advisors. The benefit here is centralized information and potential access to a vast network of professionals. It's all about connecting individuals with the right financial advisor for their needs. They emphasize personalized financial planning and long-term wealth management strategies. While specific pricing isn't generally advertised for these kinds of services, they likely offer consultations to discuss fees and investment options. You can find more details on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Raymond James Financial Advisor Review My US. I started by visiting their website and exploring the different resources available. Navigating the site was fairly straightforward. I found the Find an Advisor tool particularly useful. It allowed me to filter by location, specialization, and even language spoken, which I appreciated. I also explored the various resources explaining different investment strategies and financial planning concepts. The information presented was clear and concise, although some of the more technical terms could be a bit overwhelming for complete beginners. I then used the contact form to inquire about finding an advisor specializing in retirement planning. I received a response within 24 hours, which was impressive. The email provided me with contact information for a few advisors in my area and a brief overview of their experience. I haven't yet scheduled a consultation, but the initial contact was professional and efficient. One minor drawback I noticed was that some of the advisor profiles lacked detailed information on their fee structures. It would be helpful to have more transparency in that area upfront. The standout feature for me was definitely that Find an Advisor tool, which made the process of finding a potential match much easier. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my initial experience with Raymond James Financial Advisor Review My US. While it could benefit from a bit more transparency regarding advisor fees, the website's user-friendly design and the prompt response from their team made it a valuable resource for anyone exploring their financial advisory options. That's my overview of Raymond James Financial Advisor Review My US. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.